Hi guys, when I got home from the gym today, I had a nice package sitting on my front porch. My new saber has arrived from Crimson Dawn, so this is going to be the unboxing video. The saber that I got was the Tsukenshido, which to me is the closest that you can come to a Japanese katana. So this will be the unveiling. Hope you guys like the video. Okay, we'll start off with the hilt, which I already love the design of it. And one thing I will say too, guys, after I'm done with this video, I will be doing another video, which you will see what it looks like now on the hilt. Well, I will be doing some etching on it to change the look of it, to match more of, you know, my style. So this is the hilt, what the hilt looks like, which I really love. I love the look of this saber, guys. I mean, you can't beat the craftsmanship. And I love how long it is. So now, we'll go ahead and, of course, we got the blade, which is the NeoPixel blade. Which I always have fun getting the plastic off of these. Oh, and some of you have asked me before, in my first video I did, how I etched my shade. And all I used, believe it or not, was, this is my etching tool. I got on wish.com, believe it or not. Takes 2 AA batteries. That's all it uses. So we're still getting this protective coating off of here. Which I will finish off camera. But as you can see, okay. Oh, there we go. Take the end cap off. And there you have it, guys. There is the Tsukenshido. Like I said, I love the saber. It's got a great weight to it, a great feel to it. Of course, battery is not charged, which I expected. So what I am going to do for you guys, hopefully, is take it apart to get to the battery. Which, all you have to do, guys, is take the pommel off the end, and then this unscrews to get to your battery compartment. So you just unscrew that, this pulls off, and as you can see on camera, there's your battery. Now what I am going to do is take the battery out. Now guys, normally you do want to charge these for at least 2 hours. For me personally, I like to go until it's fully charged, just to make sure that you have a full charge whenever you're using these. However, I happen to have the battery pack off my other one, so I can show you guys how it works. So we put the new battery in, and we screw everything back together. And as you can see, everything just fits just tight. Everything's in. Now let's see what we got. There's the first one. You got color change. So that's the first font.
Rey Skywalker.
Rey Skywalker. Now the color change on this one's a little bit different. My other one was a twist. This one you actually push the power button, the auxiliary button together to get the change. So that's Rey.
That lightsaber was Luke's.
Luke. You guys can hear the smooth swing. Ben's is like an unstable blade. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound, but the sound is just like my other one, amazing. You got the red unstable pulse blade. This one does change with a twist, which you have the blue. Purple's kind of hard to see on camera, but it is there. Then we got
the Force is with you, young Skywalker. But you are not a Jedi yet.
Darth Vader.
Much, young one.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
Scene C.
Smooth Jedi. Smooth gray. Smooth fuzz. Rogue Commander.
And that's all of them, guys. So, like I said, that's my Tsukenshido now. I will be doing another video later where I will show all the etching I've done to it. I hope you guys enjoy and like. There will be more coming in the future from me, but this is it for this one. Hope you guys like it. Take care.